I have made the Cloudflare rules. Say the Cloudflare rules. I have been going this website. This is the Cloudflare website. Our domain name is. This is our domain name. I am copying this and paste here. There are many bot and many hacker try to hack this website, separate system, and I have found this way. They tried like website domain dot backup dot sql or zip or rare. They hit all URL of this type URL, this type extension, this type extension, this type extension, this type extension, and sometimes they hit in the HTML, STM or PHP. So extension system I have been blocked from the Cloudflare. Suppose I am using this in the Cloudflare system, and when you click the security and security rules, click, and here is I have set up the all rules. First rules is file access block, and user agent block and IP block. Check the people try this per day. 100 hit, minimum 100 hit comes this here. User agent block. I have also user agent blocks. Check the user agent block. There's many bot comes here. This is bot or hacker or any people user agent use the old user agent or bot, any type bot comes to my website. So I have been blocked this from the custom rules. And another user rules I made, the file access block. When you click edit and check all the file accesses and everything I have set up. As any ink, zip, x, swim, well known, prod, vs or docker, custom, all type of PSP, back, all file I have blocked. When you test in the comes, suppose we are checking this URL here, so go over and paste. I have been blocked. This is the PSP, any PSP file, any PSP file, when you hit this extension you will be blocked. Got it? Suppose SQL, any SQL file hit, you will be blocked. Any zip file you will hit, you will be blocked. You can so hacker automatically stopped and blocked from the circumstance or any type of hit URL. This time the bot or so you will be blocked from the Cloudflare. This is the Cloudflare rule. And so another Cloudflare rule I have set up the IP based. So people when IP comes like bot IP or several IP, this is the I have set up. This is the bot IP. This is also bot IP. This is also bot IP. When you check the overview, the extension, and you can check this the meeting or analytics, click, and when you click event, you will get how the action blocked custom rules. This is the Singapore blocked, and this is the blocked custom rules. When you click access, the blocked action, and maybe this is the user agent issue. Another manage silenced, another block when comes our access to the website path. This is the path they hit this, and the user agent test. So this is the process. I have 100% secured the website. This is also my Laravel website, and this website also run fine. This website is run fine when you I have already blocked this also PHP based website, but PHP when you hit this is off, but when you hit normal URL, this website is working fine. This website is working fine, the normal URL. When you hit in the PHP or others URL, extension based URL, then you will be blocked automatically from the Cloudflare. You cannot access my website when you use the extension in the path in the URL. So this is the also process. We can secure your website via custom URL. The security URL of Cloudflare Thank you. If you have any issue to set up, you can inbox me, or you can contact with me. My contact information have been provided in the description in the video. Thank you.